Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website together called publishdrive.com. So what is the work of this website? This website lets you earn online by publishing your ebook on this website. So it is just like an Amazon guys, where you publish your book and you will sell online. So this one lets you publish everywhere with just one click guys. Your book will be everywhere. So and you can be able to earn crazy amount on those websites. So now let's check it out together. As you can see here, it says self-publishing platform with a global reach. You can see here, easily self-published ebooks online, audiobooks and print books to thousands of stores worldwide. One click, publish everywhere. So like I said, with just one click guys, you can literally publish your book in like probably 20-30 different platforms. So when someone gets your book from those platforms, you get paid for it easily. So now let's go down. You can see here it says online self-published platform for indie authors and publishing companies. So here it says 100k plus published book, 30 million plus global readers, and here it says 39k stores for your print books, 240k digital libraries for your ebook. So guys, that's just how it works. As you can see here, are you an author? We help you start with the publishing process. Are you a publisher? We act as your personal rep, ready to support at any time. So now let's go to this section right here. Let's go up. You can see here ebook distribution. So now let's click on ebook distribution. So as you can see here, it says global ebook self-publishing and distribution. Here says publisher and authors can get into ebook publishing and expand their reach globally across multiple digital platforms using Publish Drive seamless distribution. So like I said guys, they can help you to distribute your ebook guys. So your own job is just that publish your book, and that's all guys. Everywhere your book will be published. You can see here Amazon, Rakuten Kobo, you can see here Apple Books, Barnes and Nobles. So these are like very popular website people can get book from. So your book will be published on everything at once, just a single click, and it will be published. So now let's check it. You can see here 400 plus stores, 100 plus countries, 240k libraries, 1 billion plus potential readers. 1 billion plus guys. Don't joke with Publish Drive, because it can literally change your life in a matter of seconds if you're a writer. As you can see here, one click, distribute everywhere. Start your ebook self-publishing journey with us and our trusted ebook distribution platform. So now let's go down and see an ebook promotion service. Every title need to be promoted to get attention from readers. So that's just how it works guys. So now let's check out their pricing section so you can see how much it costs. So you can see here ready to earn everything guys. So you can see here Abacus price, it costs $1.49, and these are the things you have entitled to. See, first title free forever, custom pricing based on volume, calculate earning for each contribution. So that's just how it works guys. So you can just start out and just start with $1.49 guys, and that's all guys. So you can see here there's also free plan, C starter, C standard. So these are their price guys. So that will be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time, and bye for now.